Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet decrease. So to start, we're going to yarn over and then insert our hook into the stitch. Yarn over again and pull through to bring up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to yarn over and then pull through just the first 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops left. I'm going to yarn over again and then insert my hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through just the first 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops left. I'm going to yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops. And there I've made a double crochet decrease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick crochet tutorials.